And so this is my audience. It's my sister, and she's also going to be my cameraman for me. So I did my informative speech over recycling, and so recycling, the definition for it is the treatment or process on used materials so they can be made suitable for reuse. And I did the pros and the cons of it, but I'll start off with the pros. Recycling protects the environment. The biggest benefit of recycling is that it helps protect the environment in a balanced manner. Recycling is an example of recycling is that many trees are cut down annually to help aid human needs. Well, there is recycled paper made from certain trees that is reused over and over to minimize deforestation. There are also a number of other natural resources that can be reused this way. Pro number 2, recycling reduces energy consumption. So a large amount of energy is consumed by processing raw materials at the time of manufacture. By recycling, we help to minimize this energy consumption, which is crucial for mass production. This also makes the production process very cost effective and beneficial for the manufacturers. Pro number 3, recycling reduces pollution. So industrial waste is the #1 source of all types of pollution. But by recycling industrial products such as cans or plastics like a Coke bottle, we help cut down pollution levels significantly because other materials are reused. And recycling helps conserve natural resources. If used and old materials are not recycled, new products will be made from extracting the fresh raw materials from the earth through extraction and mining. So recycling helps by conserving those raw materials by protecting this natural habitats for future use. Pro number 5 is that it slows down global warming. Recycling helps to reduce global warming and its negative effects on the environment. A lot of waste is burned in abundance, which produces large amounts of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Recycling ensures that the process of burning these gases is minimized and any waste is regenerated as a useful product with very little or no harmful impact on the environment. Pro number 6 is that recycling reduces waste to landfills. Recycling old products into new products reduces the amount of waste that goes to the landfills. So this helps reduce water and land pollution at the same time. Landfills are a major source in contributing to destruction of the natural environment. So by recycling, we can help stop that. And recycling programs keep 70 tons of waste from being deposited into landfills each year. And for my last pro, recycling helps create green jobs. So green goods and sources accounted for 3.1 million jobs in the United States by 2010, according to the U.S. Bureau of Statistics. So now on to my cons for recycling. There's not as many cons as there are pros to recycling. But for the first con, I have recycling is not consistently cost effective. So sometimes there may be a need to establish a separate factory or factories to process reusable products. So this may create more pollution as they would undergo the process of cleaning, storage, and transportation. Con number 2 is that it can be unsafe and hygienic for recycling sites to be built. Recycling sites are oftentimes unsafe and unhygienic. That's because they're places where all sorts of waste is dumped, and it's conducive for debris formation and spread of disease and other dangers caused by the harmful waste. This is not only bad because it can cause pollution, but it can also harm the workers that are involved and make them really sick. And then my third one is that they don't last. The products don't last for when they're recycled. So recycling products they're not made of the most durable quality, and that's because they're made from trash or waste or previous like bottles or cans or something like that. So for that reason, recycled products are cheap and they last for a shorter period of time. So with that said, reach my conclusion. Overall, recycling benefits the environment a lot more than it hurts it. So the amount of benefits from recycling, they far outweigh the negative benefits, or they wouldn't be benefits, they're negative. But that's a great reason to do it because it helps the environment a whole bunch. It makes the world a better place when you recycle, literally. You breathe better air. And so I would recommend recycling because, you know, it helps the environment a lot more than you would think. And as I said before, the pros outweigh the cons by 1,000,000% in my book. So anytime I drink a soda or something, I toss the water bottle or soda bottle into the recycling bin because I care about my environment and I would like to live a long time in a healthy and safe place to breathe clean air. So thanks for watching. There are my references. Appreciate it.